Hello.
Hello! Welcome to Bright Star Hotel.
Thank you. I have a reservation.
Great! What is your name?
My name is Lisa Brown.
One moment, please. Yes, I see your booking.
Wonderful.
You booked a single room for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's right.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course, here it is.
Thank you. Okay, all is good.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Okay, thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Great. What time is breakfast?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room.
Perfect. I like breakfast.
We have eggs, toast, fruit, and coffee.
Sounds good.
Here's your key. You are in room 204.
Thank you. Where is the room?
It's on the 2nd floor. Take the elevator on the left.
Okay, is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, free Wi-Fi. The password is Bright123.
Got it. Thanks.
Do you need help with your bag?
No, it's light. I can take it.
All right. If you need anything, call the front desk.
What number is the front desk?
Just press 0 on your room phone.
Okay, that's easy.
Do you need a city map?
Yes, please. I want to walk around.
Here you go. The hotel is here, and the museum is close.
That's helpful. Thanks.
One more thing. Do you want a wake-up call?
Yes, please. Tomorrow at 7 a.m.
No problem. We'll call your room at 7.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay, Lisa.
I will. This hotel is very nice.